and runners away. Slow to start, Pitafina. Quick to start, Flying Sophia, who's headed off for the early advantage. Up on the outside, Bahamian Rhapsody has speed. Down at the fence, that's Madame Barrister. Beauty Queen is next. Garcia ran into a pocket on Capture the Genie, and she had no room and had to shuffle back. Passed by Lights on Girl and Smooth as Glass. Wide on the course is Miss Rote. Out the back are Pitafina and Hot Babe. Around the far turn they go. Bahamian Rhapsody takes over the lead from Flying Sophia second. Madame Barrister, with her ears up in the red colors, is on to challenge from third. Then fourth and Beauty Queen, not running on much at all, is Capture the Genie. Miss Rote floated wide off the corner. Top of the lane with the advantage, it's Bahamian Rhapsody, a length and a half. Madame Barrister now. Beauty Queen tries to go after the leader with an eighth of a mile to go. Beauty Queen taking aim on Bahamian Rhapsody. Bahamian Rhapsody almost home. Beauty Queen surging. This is going to get close. Beauty Queen runs her down. Beauty Queen wins, giving Carlos David another one from second running Bahamian Rhapsody. Then it was the Gray Capture the Genie and Hot Babe.